Right, okay, so welcome back to my channel everyone. This is just a little video series I'm doing documenting our holiday to Turkey in September 2022. This particular video is going to be focused on our boat trip, but as per usual we start off with a good old Turkish breakfast. It's the next day and it always starts off with a good breakfast, as you can see. It's like deja vu, isn't it? Groundhog Day all over again. It's nice though. Yeah. Can't beat it.
Okay.
Yes, good, thanks. You're going a boat trip as well, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
12 hours, yeah. Is that the one out towards Go Check, isn't it?
I think
so, yeah. There are 5 locations.
Yeah, that's the one, same
Yeah.
one. Okay. Yeah, good. Oh, should be an interesting day. Looking forward to it. Right, here we go. This is where it all starts then. On the big boat. This is quite a big boat, isn't it? Wow. There's 4 here now.
4? Come.
Morning, how are you?
Morning.
Morning.
Shade, sun.
Shade's good for now.
Shade.
This side?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Brilliant.
Family.
No. Camera. Say hello to the camera.
Hello. Where are you from?
England.
You?
France. We just met them.
Yeah, we're not together.
So on this particular boat trip we had several stops. Here's just one of them. Unfortunately I've not got the footage from the drone because the drone has been lost in the sea, but I will add some more in which I've got from the DJI app.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Nice, nice. Yeah, good. Nice bit of salmon. I didn't with mine, no. I just get myself a knife and fork, sorry. Nice fish, Mickael. Nice fish. Yeah, really good. Right, okay, so Turkey is a big country. We based ourselves around Fethiye, so it's more towards the south and slightly to the west. So just zooming in now using Google Earth just to give you an idea of where we went to regarding our boat trip. So we left Fethiye Harbour, went past Chevalier Island where my poor drone is, headed over towards Geographic, which is another town a bit further over, and then we made our way back several hours later, and then I was very fortunate to once again get my drone up because I still had it then, and I got some really nice shots with my drone. Okay, so we're now coming towards the end of our boat trip. The boat's just been reversed into the harbour. I've still got my drone up. The footage here is not taken from the SD card, that's still in the sea. This is taken from the DJI Flight app. It does store some of the images and the files, but unfortunately not all of them. So I've got to be a bit careful here because there's lots of things to hit, like masts and wires and boats and trees and one thing or another. So I'm just coming off the boat now. I'm just taking my drone down, keeping a very close eye on where I want to drop it so I can make a grab for it. So this was really a really good day. I enjoyed the boat trip, and also I enjoyed the company with Mickael and Elsa, and we're just wrapping things up now within the video. There's a lady, the girl in front on a bike. She's holding the license plate behind her back. That's crazy. Oh my god! You see that, Mickael?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Oh my god!
She's showing it around.
Showing it around. Yeah, she knows, doesn't she?
Yeah, she's just fooling around with it.
Oh, she's messing about, I think. But no, it hasn't got one on the back, has it?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, anything goes in Turkey, and it normally does. Yeah.
Let's keep in touch.
Yeah, please do.
Really
Yeah,
pleased
okay.
to have met
Yeah,
you.
it's been lovely.
Thanks, Elsa.
Yeah.
Elsa, yeah?
Elsa, yeah.
It's been a pleasure.
Got it right.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, Michael.
You take care,
Yeah,
guys.
it's been good
Have a
fun.
lovely
Good fun.
holidays.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow at Saturday Kent.
Yeah. Okay, thanks, Michael. Take care. Bye.
My phone in here.
Should be, yeah. That was nice, wasn't it? Okay, right. So that was end of oh goodness, day 3, 4. Can't remember now. Anyway, we're gonna head on. Hiya, right. Let's head on back up to our room. So I'll get showered and then get out and have a bite to eat.
Well, I'm gonna have a cup of tea and biscuits.
Cup of tea and biscuits. Absolutely. Right, so basically I think that was the end of about day 4, 5, 6 or 7. I couldn't quite remember. But anyway, whatever day it was a great day, and it's really nice to meet Mickael and Elsa. If you like the video, people, please like and subscribe. Obviously, you know that I've lost my drone. They're not cheap to buy. I'm trying desperately to get to 1,000 subs so I can at least monetize my channel, and if I can do that with a bit of luck, it might just help me some way towards buying another drone. Anyway, just want to say thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.